Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start with safety and access. Park, set the parking brake, and disconnect the negative battery. This prevents airbag or electronics faults. Once done, remove the cup holder insert and lift out rubber mats to expose hidden screws. Use a plastic trim tool to pry up rear trim clips gently so you don't scratch surfaces. Make sure to label and bag the 6 visible fasteners, 3 at the front and 3 at the rear, because organized parts save time when you reassemble. Once the trim is loose, slide the console rearwards a few centimeters to relieve tension and reveal side bolts and taped wiring. You'll see the 12V socket, USB hub, and seat heater leads. Depress the locking tabs and wiggle connectors straight out to avoid breaking the plastic. Then use a T30 screwdriver or 10mm socket to remove the 2 side bolts and the 2 under console bolts. Turn fasteners counterclockwise and keep them together. Make sure wires are free before lifting, because trapped harnesses can snap. You'll now lift the console from the rear edge, angling it up to clear hidden clips. Do this slowly so you can feel any resistance. If you encounter an airbag or power connector under the front panel, disconnect it before full removal. This is why battery disconnection mattered. Once out, tape loose harnesses to prevent chafing and reverse the steps to reinstall, torquing fasteners snugly but not over tight. If it won't lift, double-check for a hidden screw under the shifter trim and remove it.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.